One step ahead presents easy learning for kids. Hello children. Our topic is fractions. Look at these objects. They all are one whole. We can divide these objects into equal or unequal parts. A square can be divided into equal or unequal parts. A circle can be divided into 2 parts or 3 parts or 4 parts or 5 parts or even more parts. We can divide any objects into equal parts and then show fractions. 1/2. When we divide any object into 2 equal parts, then each part is called 1/2. 1/3. When an object is divided into 3 equal parts, then each part is called 1/3. 1/4 or quarter. When an object is divided into 4 equal parts, then each part is called 1/4. What is fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. Numerator, denominator. In fraction, there are 2 main parts, the numerator and the denominator. We call the top number as the numerator, it is the number of parts we have. We call the bottom as number the denominator, it is the number of parts the whole is divided into. The denominator indicates that how many parts the whole has been divided, and the numerator indicates how many of these equal parts we are taking into consideration. For example, if I have bought a pizza and I cut it into 6 parts, I ate 2 parts of the pizza. So I can write it in fraction as 2/6. Types of fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators, bottom numbers, are called like fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators, bottom numbers, are called unlike fractions. Unit fraction. A unit fraction is a fraction where the numerator is 1 and the denominator is a whole number. In mathematics, whole numbers are the basic counting numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Proper fraction. When denominator, bottom number, is greater than the numerator, it is called proper fraction. Improper fraction. When denominator, bottom number, is less than the numerator, then it is called improper fraction. Mixed fraction. When a fraction is made up of a whole number and a proper fraction, it is called mixed fraction. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that have the same value are called equivalent fractions. It's quiz time. Identify whether the following fractions are proper or improper, unit or mixed. Take a pause and think, then play the video. Continue to check the answers. Identify whether the following fractions are proper or improper, unit or mixed. Identify whether the following fractions are like or unlike or equivalent fractions. Identify whether the following fractions are like or unlike or equivalent fractions. Identify whether the following fractions are like or unlike or equivalent fractions.